Have a good day?
I did. How was your day?
It was good.
We love to watch cooking shows together.
All the time.
And sometimes we'll get inspired to actually try the dishes ourselves.
You texted me shepherd's pie?
Yeah. Have you ever had it?
I have not.
And you're like, Ma, how do they make this?
Hey Google, find a recipe for shepherd's pie.
Okay, I got a recipe called shepherd's pie from Food Network. Does that sound good?
Yes.
First step, peel the potatoes and cut into 1/2 inch diced.
The onions are like... hey Google, order more paper towels. The best music to cook to, you go with like...
I really love listening to the 90s.
All right, check out this 90s hit song station on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, what's the next ingredient?
1/2 cup cream. For a lighter version, substitute vegetable or chicken broth.
Hey Google, pause music. Wait, you're putting it in there?
Yes. Right?
Wait, that can't be right.
Hey Google, repeat previous step.
Cover and simmer slowly.
It's helpful to be able to go back so that Google can prove me right.
Yeah, but once potatoes are in?
Yep. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes, starting now.
Having multiple timers. Hey Google, set a pie timer for 25 minutes.
Second timer for 25 minutes.
Game changer. Hey Google, call mom.
Calling mom.
Hello.
Hi mom, it's Jesse and I'm on with Steph.
Hi, kid.
We're making a shepherd's pie.
I'm sure that she did all the work.
She knows. She knows. She knows. Cheers.
Hey Google, give me some applause.